Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today also we will continue with exercise 7.2, question number 6 and 7. Today we will do question number 6 and 7. In question number 6, they have said write in the missing factors to complete this factor tree. So the shape that you can see, I am doing this example only, that number A 16. Now they have given you one number and you have to write all the factors by making factor tree. Means you have to keep on dividing with prime numbers. I told you know what is prime number in the last class. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So unless the number becomes a prime number, you have to keep on dividing, you have to keep on breaking that. So the first prime number is 2. So 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. So 2 is a prime number, you will circle it. 8 is not a prime number. And I have told you that you have to make this 16, you have to keep on dividing this 16 unless the number becomes the prime number. So this again you divide by 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So 2 is a prime number. Next, 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number. That means the number which has more than 2 factors. That means 1. Apart from 1 and the number itself, there are other factors, other number which can divide the given number. Those numbers are known as composite number. So 2 into 2. Now you see both are prime number. So the number started with 16 and you have kept on dividing and you see finally you got the prime numbers. Now suppose number D. In question number D, the number is 100 and they have already given you, you break this, one is 25 and the other is 4. Now this neither 25 nor 4 is a prime number, both are composite number. So you have divided these two again. So 2 2s are 4, it already become prime number, so you will circle it. And 25, 5 into 5 is 25, so 5 is also a prime number. So this becomes your A. So I hope you have understood this, children. Now let us move to the question number 2. Question number 7. In question number 7, they have said find all the factors of the given number. So same thing, factor tree. They have given you a number, you have to find out all the factors that divides the given number. Do all these number have a common factor? If yes, write on the blank. That means, see, first you have to find out the factors. After finding, below they have said what is the common factor. So let us write. One is suppose 12. They have already broken. One side is 6, another they have given blank. So 2 into 6. So this is a prime number. It became, you divide 6, 6 is not a prime number. So 2 into 3, both are prime number. So like this, you have to find the prime number of 16 also. Like suppose, let us do number C. Number C 18. What they have said? 18. You divide this 9. 9 they have given, this place is blank. So 2 into 9 is 18. Now this is again divisible. So 3 into 3 is 9. After this, so they have said factors of 12. So you write factors of 12 are. What are the factors? All the circle one. You will write all the circle one. These are the factors. So 2 into 2 into 3. Here factors of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors. Now you will complete all the 4 sum. After that you will see any factor is common in all the 4 or not. Now see, in this for now 2 is common, 3 is also common. So you will write 2 comma 3, like this you will write. And if there is any common, then finally you have to write in that. See, last line they have given common factors of 12, 16, 18 and 20, that one. So I hope, children, you have understood. please do this question number 7 and 8 in the book itself. Question number 7 and 8 in the book itself. Now question number 6 and 7 you will do it in the book, and question number 8 you see in the next page they have given you. You don't have to do, just put a cross mark beside that question. We will not be doing this question number 8. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.